There's nothing like facing down that long stretch of highway to a destination you've never seen. Nothing like road tripping through your imagination and road tripping through your dreams. Through truck stop gas stations, snacks, and everything in between.
And now we're excited to road trip with my parents to the new place that they call home. It's a chance for us to observe beauty, to daydream, and to feel the freedom and excitement of the open road.
Started off with fun and games. Shit's real now. So we're doing this, huh?
Yeah, we're doing it.
Wow. 18 hours.
This is the tail end of an ongoing conversation between April and I on whether to road trip with her parents or to catch a flight.
Here's the thing. We've been here for about a week or so, and now we are taking a road trip to my parents' place in Ohio, and we're about to get on the road. And we're just trying to hype ourselves up for the trip. Got our snacks ready. It's going to be about, 17 18 hours.
Yo. In the car with my lovely wife's parents. If you don't know, if you guys are from another place, the road trip is an American tradition.
Yeah.
It's something that we really enjoy, something we haven't done in a minute, right?
Right.
So I hope you guys enjoy the journey, enjoy the sights, enjoy the sounds.
And we'll try to enjoy the ride.
Let's go. So we got up early to get on the road, and we've been delayed. All right. It's now 3.5 hours after our departure time. Man, this is about to be an interesting road trip. All right, update. We're now 4 hours behind schedule. So me and my boo about to dip to a store, get us some croissants, and hit the reset button again. Don't nothing get straightened but straightening. What the hell is that, man? There's nothing more American than a road trip, y'all. We're doing about 1,100 miles, I think, around and about.
We are road tripping with my parents.
Hey, hey.
They're right in the front. There's laundry.
Mama Duke's over here. Papa Duke's over here. And a whole lot of road in front of us, y'all.
Current time is 11:27.
Starting point. All right.
It's 1,100 miles so far. We just drove 1 mile. 10.99 to go. We good.
Right. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. 1,999.
Look at you. Got me showing you all of these campers. You know me and Rondell ain't living the van life. Girl, stop. You know I know you better than you know you, right? Well, look, whatever. I'm not moving back to the States. You know that there are camper rentals all over the world. All right, show me what you got.
This Quantum Class C RV is a behemoth. It comes with a cockpit, complete and ready for a king, with full control of your RV at your fingertips, an overhead bunker for sleeping, automated skylight. The dinette area sits 4 comfortably, comes complete with a queen-size Murphy bed and a 42-inch TV set to boot. Can we talk about this kitchen though? This refrigerator is a full-size refrigerator, complete with a full-size freezer for all the fish sticks your little heart desires. The kitchen also comes complete with lots and lots and lots of storage for your culinary little treats. Now let's get at this stove. We have a 2 gas burner and 1 full induction eye. We have a deep basin stainless steel sink here for you to do all your preparations, and a 30-inch convection microwave oven. All right, let's talk about the crashing quarters. This master bedroom comes complete with a queen-size bed, lots of storage, a 12-volt fan, and 2 closets, so plenty of space. Across from the vanity is the bathroom. This bathroom is nothing shabby. It has a full-length shower with 2 skylights both over the shower and the commode. This bathroom has plenty of storage and, again, a 12-volt fan, which is necessary. This control panel is responsible for the 100-watt solar panel, the 4,000-watt gas generator, the black water flushing system, and the auto leveling system. There's awning on both sides of this behemoth, along with a 42-inch television screen set up for base camp. She's a beast, you guys. 7.3-liter V8 engine is ready to pull you wherever you want to go. This is an RV that was made for people who are serious about living on the road.
April, let's take a look at this one. We stepped foot on an Airstream lot, and it was the Airstream Atlas Sprinter van that drew us in. It sits on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van chassis and has a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine. Look at this. Look how nice this Benz is. Wow, you can already tell it has a pretty modern design. The craftsmanship is pretty sleek. Girl, you know you like it. You and Rondell will be real comfortable in this Sprinter van. You just had to open it, didn't you? There's lots of storage space in this Sprinter van. You can find it above head and you can find it down below. Anything that you need. Go ahead, take a look. You can check out the captain's chairs in the front. They swivel, girl. They swivel around. Look at that. The cockpit for the captain is full with all the buttons you need, and you like driving, this is a pretty comfortable seat. Let's look around. This efficient kitchen has everything you need, and this 3-piece bathroom comes with a tankless water heater. That means hot showers for days, and you have to appreciate that skylight up there. It's pretty nice in here. There's also a little closet in the bathroom. Can't get better than that. Like I said, there's lots of storage space in this Sprinter van, just for you. This is the cool part. I gotta tell you about this feature. There's a hideaway smart TV that you can control with the press of a button. Go ahead, press the button. And this is right in the living space, which slides out for some additional floor space that also converts into a Murphy bed suite. It's a beautiful thing, girl. If I haven't sold it to you already, just note that there is a large sunroof, there is more storage on the outside. This Sprinter van's running with 300 watts of solar panels, an electric awning, and the quality assurances of being a Mercedes-Benz. Did I sell it?
All right, sweetheart. Real talk. This is my favorite one. the Compass all-wheel drive, 10-speed overdrive, same as the F-150 RV. It's a Class B converted van pretty much for all intent and purposes, but it's absolutely beautiful. It has the residential vinyl flooring, a 100-watt solar panel, a 4,000-watt gas generator just like the big dog, a black water flush system. It's not automated, but it's all good. We can deal with it. It also comes with a queen-size Murphy bed and two 32-inch TV sets. This is all we really need to enjoy our life abroad and on the road. Think about it. Want to ride?
We made it!
We made it! All right.
Long day, but it was really not a bad ride. We hit some rain.
It's rain.
Yeah.
Had a good time, good ride through the mountains. Yeah, long but not bad.
You know, played some music off his phone, and then had to hit up a few radio stations, radio roulette, until we found something that we could jam to for a little bit. But glad we made it. We have an early morning, so we're unloading, and it's good night for right now. We'll see y'all in the morning.
Good morning, you guys. We are in Cleveland, Ohio after traveling for 2 days from Tampa, Florida, and we're here because my parents are here, and I'm really so very proud of my mom. She works for a major company and was sought after for a particular position here in Cleveland. She accepted, and both of my parents, they picked up, they made the leap, and they moved here. So we're really excited to spend some time with them, and we're excited to check out their new city.
Cleveland turned out to be the spot for us, y'all, for a couple of different reasons. A, it's in between a couple of places that I needed to go to see my family, but also we wanted to support small businesses the entire time that we were here in the States.
So we're heading to a local farmer's market in the neighborhood today, just to kind of check it out. You know, we love all things like farmer's market and fresh produce and things like that, supporting small businesses, so let's check it out.
We know that the hustle is real for all the people out here getting their businesses started, up and running. And I just want to be a voice of encouragement. People like us are out here trying to support you. Make sure your product is worthy. Don't be selling no junk. But for real, we are really like supporting small businesses and really like their service, the products, and like to see how many are thriving here in the Cleveland area.
I think what's interesting about Cleveland, especially in the smaller neighborhoods, is seeing that there aren't a lot of franchises
at all.
Big businesses. Yeah, you'll find a few, but for the most part, everything is kind of made up of local shop owners, mom and pop shops, restaurants, boutiques.
And you get that custom feel, you know, people calling your name or, you know, talking to you personally as you walk in and everything else, man. I like the vibe. We trying to support. So be encouraged, y'all. Support them, and if you are a small business, get your thug on, man. Go ahead and get out here and represent.
Sexy, stylish soul food, y'all.
Let me tell you something. Zanzibar is the truth. This mother sucker was so good. This was the best soul food that I've ever paid for. I mean, the macaroni and cheese was slamming, the blackened catfish was on point, and my smothered turkey, oh my God! This place knocked my socks off. It was a pleasure to support them. If you want to try some delicious soul food and you're in the Cleveland area, you need to check this spot out. It's the truth.
You're gonna run into a ton of independent businesses, like the olive scene. It had a really cool concept.
We're in a lovely boutique oil and vinegar shop with really different, unique combinations of vinegars and oils, and there's information on what's in the particular products and then what complements them. We're just just kind of going around and pairing these different flavors and seeing what we like.
Hey, we appreciate you guys joining us for this episode. Our hearts are heavy with the business owners, man, trying to recover from this virus all over the world, man. Go support these cats, yo, if you can and when you can. And if you are a small business shop owner, you know what I'm saying, praise is due, man. Keep your head up. Stay professional. Help is on the way. But on a for real, if you like this video,
yeah, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, we're gonna ask that you please subscribe to our channel.
Please do. My name is Rondell.
My name is April.
And we are officially up out of here. Peace and love, y'all.